How's it going, everybody? Cold morning here in Colorado, but back at Dash Trucks, we got another walk around video. If you like to watch, make sure you drop us a like. If you want to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We post walk around videos for every single one of our trucks, so best way to stay up to date, be the first to know about everything we have listed, is to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you have those bell notifications clicked in. But today's truck is going to be a 2017 Ford E-350 Super Duty flex fuel, which we'll get into that aspect here in just a little bit. It's a 16-foot box truck with a ramp. One previous owner, has 152,144 miles. It has been fully reconned, and what we mean when we say that is that we go through the braking, suspension, engine, transmission components. We make sure that everything is working to a crisp and that this thing is ready to work for you. But we'll go ahead and get started with the tires here. All right, 172-inch wheelbase, dual rear wheel. Get you guys a good look at the chassis here. This truck is in super good condition. Your tires all the way around have plenty of life left on them, which is always a plus. Your clearance is going to be 10 feet 4 inches. And getting out here to the back, this is a roll-up door. Rolls up just like that. Here's your ramp on the side over here. It's rated for 1,000 pounds. And then here is that box, which is in great condition. You do have a translucent roof. Makes things a lot easier to see, not only in the daytime, but also those evening times. You do have tie-down boards, and then the the kickboards on the bottom there. Cool. All right, let's move on over here. Your GVWR is going to be 12,500 pounds. Get you a look at the rear passenger side tires. Here's the chassis on this side too. Now this thing, as you'll notice when we continue on to the interior, it's a very simple truck. And that's partly why these things are so reliable. There's not much that can go wrong. But let's go ahead and check out that interior. You'll see what I mean. Here we are. Very clean. And it's in great condition. No rips or tears on these seats. And you also have this middle seat here. All right, let's go ahead and hop on inside. We'll start her up. I'm gonna close that right. There we go. And we'll run through the features, which are not many, but here is that startup. Okay. Now lights on the dashboard. Here's our 152,144 miles. You've got a radio. Cool. You also have a CD player up over here. And then you got power locks, power windows, and that's about it for your features. So super nice and simple. Air conditioning does blow hot. Your aux cord is right over there. And that would be all there. 12-volt outlets right over here. And then you also have your fire extinguisher right down there. All right, well, let's go ahead and check out that engine. All right, so you've got that 6.2 liter flex fuel V8 coupled with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This thing has more than enough power for what you're gonna be hauling in that box. Now all the filters and fluids have been changed if deemed necessary as part of our general inspection. And this engine is running strong, sounding great. Let's go ahead and get you guys a good listen here. All right, folks, that'll wrap it up for your 2017 Ford E-350 Super Duty flex fuel, again with that 16-foot box with the lift gate. If you'd like to find out some more information about this vehicle, I'll leave a short information snippet down in the description below, so you can just find out some general information, measurements, stuff like that, all the points I went through in this video. But if you'd like to check out the full listing, make sure you head over to our website. I'll link that in the description below. If you want to find out some information about financing, you want to see some different pictures, videos, I'll leave our phone number in descriptions. Go ahead, text us, give us a call. We can definitely take care of you there. All right, folks, this has been Das Trucks. We're signing off. Stay warm, y'all, if y'all in Colorado. And I hope y'all have a great one. Take care.